If we click on this video here, click on it and go to this effect controls tab. This effect controls tab is very important. You're gonna use it a lot. Here there's some parts. Here is the motion, and here is the opacity, and here is the time remapping. First of all is the motion. The motion, we can here change the position and the scale, the rotation, the anchor point, the anti-flicker filter, and besides every one of those there is like a clock, and this clock is for motion, and we're gonna use this in the future, not now. Here, for example, in the position, any one of those, any property of those have a property. We can change it. We can click on this and it change like the position, but there's a better way to do this. Instead of writing those values yourself, you can left click and then drag to the left to move it to the left, to the right to move it to the right, and the same goes here. This moves it up and down.